Not really. I can't zoom in, can I?
No, no zoom.
Am I getting the speedometer or the tachometer?
Both. You see them? They're hanging on.
Yeah, I didn't get it.
Alright, this is third gear. First gear pull